Let's do a glowy brown bronze tan makeup look. Starting with the foundation, I would choose a neutral shade if you have olive skin like myself, and if you are a warm olive, then a yellow toned foundation would also match your skin tone really well. I'm using the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Foundation, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and the Rimmel London Contour Stick. I'm using a light colored concealer here, but you'll see I'll be going over with a lot of bronzer and contour later on to add more balance with the colors and darken up this look. For the contour stick, choose a medium warm brown or tan shade or a bronzing stick instead of a cool toned regular contour stick, because this tends to add the warmth that olive skin usually requires, and grey contours can make you look a bit more ashy. Next, for the bronzer and blush, you want to choose a deep pink, orange, deep red or copper, as these colors really complement olive skin tones well and can give you that glow that comes from within instead of bronzer that looks like it's just sitting on the surface of your skin. I'm using the Benefit Hoolah bronzer and the blush by MAC. For my setting powder, I'm using the Banana Powder by Makeup Revolution and just adding that in the center portion of my face and wherever I applied my concealer, besides my eyes, nose and mouth, and dusting all the powder off. Next, I'm filling in my brows, not too dark and not too light, as well as brushing them upwards. Then just filling in my crease with a warmed toned eyeshadow like this brown color here, and focusing the darkest shade or color in my outer corners of my eyes. Next, I'm dabbing some highlighter in the center of my eyelid, on my tear ducts, on my brow bone, as well as on my cheekbones. And then I'm going in with some kajal or eyeliner pencil on my lower and top lash line. And then I'm drawing a liquid eyeliner to wing it out. And don't forget to add some mascara or false lashes as well. Finally, I'm using the Strip Down Lip Liner by MAC to overline as well as fill in my lips, focusing on the center top and bottom areas. And then some lipstick, and we're all done. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.